Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to remove glare and reflection from sunglass or glasses. Let's get started. Firstly, open the ChatGPT, Gemini or Google Flow. Just upload the image and type the prompt, remove the glare and reflection and keep the just copy the prompt and hit enter and go to the Gemini, upload the image, paste the prompt and hit enter. Same, go to the Flow, upload the image and paste the prompt, add the image and select the size and hit enter. Check the ChatGPT, my glare and reflection remove from the sunglass. Just download. Now go to the Gemini and Flow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.